So hello everyone. In this video we just want to see how we can extract hardware ID and challenge key for setting up our access gateway and federation gateway in our NMS or orchestrator. So mm, for that, if we see here, whenever we want to add a gateway, uh, we need the hardware UUID or hardware ID and the challenge key, among all the other information which you can keep according to your requirement. So currently I'm in the Federated LTE network, the one we discussed in the previous videos regarding Federation Gateway. So this is where we install or add a Federation Gateway or Federated Gateway. So for that, so we need these information. So for this, what we can do is first, let's see our all the Docker containers for the Federation Gateway. Um, the one we are interested in is this Magma D, right? So it's similar, it's same both for the Access Gateway and the Federated Gateway. So what we do is we first access the container exec d and then we run a Python file called so gateway info.py. From here we get the hardware UID and the challenge key, which we can then use it in the respective fields and then add our gateway.